Vasectomy is a unique procedure for birth control. It also called sterilization for man. This is a surgical procedure as well as tubectomy. It is designed to prevent pregnancy permanently. The success rate of vasectomy is 100%. Every birth control process has some advantages and some disadvantages. Some people have no idea about vasectomy. So today in this video I will talk about what is a vasectomy, when you are unable for vasectomy. So welcome to today's new episode. What is a vasectomy? A vasectomy is a simple surgery for male sterilization. The word vasectomy comes from the name of the tubes in your scrotum. The tiny tubes in your scrotum which carry sperm. In vasectomy procedure, these tubes are cut or blocked. That's why semen cannot leave your body. So it never causes pregnancy. The process is very fast, even you can go home after surgery. And it is 100% effective in preventing pregnancy. When you are unable for vasectomy. There are two types of vasectomies where one method needs to cutting and another method without cutting. Vasectomies are designed to last forever, so this usually never possible to regain again. You should only get a vasectomy if you are 100% HIV positive and you do not want to get pregnant for the rest of your life. God bless you. Stay healthy, stay safe.